In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a release in Jira. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or a newcomer to the world of software development, understanding how to manage and deploy releases in Jira is crucial for maintaining a smooth workflow. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your Jira account and navigate to the dashboard. The first step is to select the project you'd like to create a release for. It really all begins here, as the project will provide the framework and context for your release. Once you've selected your project, head to the top menu and click on Releases. This will take you to your project's release hub, where you'll be able to manage all the releases related to this project. Next, you need to create a new version or release, so look for the Create Version button. Note that depending on your version of Jira, this might also be labeled as Create Release. Be sure to check the label that applies to your setup. Now, you'll be greeted by a form that will allow you to fill in all the necessary details for your release. This is where careful attention to detail will really help in organizing your release information. Start by providing your release with a clear and descriptive name. It could be something like 1.0 or perhaps beta release. Having a descriptive name makes it easy to understand its purpose and progress at a glance. After naming your release, you'll need to enter the start date, which marks the day you expect work on this release to begin. Similarly, input the release date, representing when you plan for the release to be deployed. These dates will be integral in tracking your project timeline. Another key section is the description. Here you can add relevant information about what features or developments the release will include. This is your opportunity to communicate the essence of the release to your team. Depending on your Jira setup, there might be additional options available, like assigning a driver. This person will be responsible for coordinating the release, ensuring everything runs smoothly and on time. Additionally, you might consider adding release notes. These notes document the changes made in this release, providing a record of what was accomplished. Once you've painstakingly entered all the necessary details, hit Save or Create to formalize the release. But we're not done yet. The subsequent step involves assigning the relevant issues, whether they're stories, bugs, or tasks, to this release. Click on Issues at the top, open an issue, and under the Fix Versions field, select your newly created release. Finally, let's wrap things up. Return to Releases, find your version, and click on the three dots on the right. Select Release to complete the process. Now, your release is officially ready to go live, marking a significant milestone in your project's roadmap. There you have it, a complete guide to adding a release in Jira.